How to reset forgotten Temu account's password. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to log into your Temu account but you've forgotten your password, then here's how you can fix that. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in temu.com in the URL box and search. Once you're inside the official website of Temu, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to the sign in/register button and click on sign in/register in the pop-up. You'll then be taken to the sign in area where you'll need to enter your email and password. Let's say you've forgotten your password. If you want to reset that, click on the forgot password link above the password box. Now make sure that your email is correct. If not, write down your correct email address associated with Temu account and click submit. You'll then receive a verification code sent to you via your email. Open up your registered email inbox and then enter the code that you received. Once done, on the next page, you get to create a new password. Type down a new password that is strong and easier for you to remember next time. Once you are done, click submit. You have then successfully updated your password. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to enter the newly updated password. So just like that, you are signed back into your account even if you've forgotten your current password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.